What's up? Are you ready for 3 stocks that can make you steady and reliable passive income? Stick around to find out the third company. It should be a staple in the world of dividend stocks. Specifically, we're looking at 3 amazing companies with high dividend yields that you can invest in right now for under $100 per share. That's right, you don't need a ton of money to start building a passive income stream with dividends. These stocks offer a fantastic opportunity to earn regular income without breaking the bank. We'll be breaking down each company, looking at their dividend history, and why they could be a solid addition to your portfolio. First up, we have a company everyone's heard of, Pfizer. You know them, you probably love them, but are you taking advantage of their amazing dividend? With a current yield of over 5%, Pfizer is a phenomenal choice for dividend investors. Now, you might be thinking, why is Pfizer's dividend so high? Well, they're a global pharmaceutical giant with a massive market presence. Think about it. Almost everyone knows the name Pfizer, and their products are used worldwide. This translates into consistent profits, and they share those profits with investors through dividends. Pfizer has a long history of paying dividends and has even increased its dividend payout for over a decade straight. That kind of consistency is crucial when you're looking for reliable passive income. They've weathered economic storms, recessions, you name it, and they've still kept that dividend growing. That's the kind of stability you want in your portfolio, especially in uncertain times. But here's the best part. Pfizer is trading at a price that's accessible to almost anyone. For less than $100 a share, you can own a piece of this dividend powerhouse and start earning passive income right away. Next up, we have Altria Group, a company known for its tobacco brands like Marlboro. Now, before you click away, hear me out. Altria is a dividend-paying machine with a yield of over 8%. That's right, over 8%. You'd be hard-pressed to find that kind of return from a savings account these days. I know, tobacco is a controversial industry, but there's no denying that Altria has a long history of paying dividends and has consistently increased its payout over time. They've been doing this for decades, through thick and thin, which speaks volumes about their commitment to returning value to shareholders. And let's face it, people who use their products are likely to continue using them, regardless of economic conditions. That kind of predictable demand can be a huge advantage for dividend investors. Altria understands this, and they've built a business model that prioritizes shareholder value. Now, I'm not saying you should go all in on Altria, but it's definitely worth considering if you're looking for high-yield dividend stocks. Like any investment, it's crucial to do your research and understand the risks involved. But if you're comfortable with the tobacco industry and looking for a stock that pays a hefty dividend, Altria could be a solid addition to your portfolio. Remember, diversification is key, and having a mix of different types of stocks can help you weather market fluctuations and achieve your financial goals. Finally, let's talk about Lumen Technologies, a telecommunications company that's been quietly crushing it in the dividend department. With a yield of over 9%, Lumen is a high-yield stock that deserves a closer look. Now, you might not be as familiar with Lumen as you are with Pfizer or Altria, but don't let that fool you. This company is a major player in the telecommunications industry, providing fiber optic networks, data centers, and other essential services. And in a world that's increasingly reliant on technology, Lumen is well-positioned for continued growth. Think about it. We use the internet for everything these days, from work to entertainment to staying connected with friends and family. Lumen plays a vital role in making all of that possible, and their infrastructure is only becoming more valuable as we move towards a more digital future. This translates into strong cash flow for Lumen, which allows them to pay out such an impressive dividend. But here's the kicker. Lumen is currently trading at a price that makes it a steal for dividend investors. For under $100 a share, you can own a piece of this high-yield powerhouse and start earning passive income right away. Remember, high-yield stocks can sometimes be riskier, so it's essential to do your research and understand the company's financials before investing. But if you're looking for a stock with the potential for high returns and a hefty dividend payout, Lumen Technologies is definitely worth considering. So there you have it, 3 amazing dividend stocks, all under $100 a share, that can help you build a passive income stream and grow your wealth over time. Remember, we talked about Pfizer, the pharmaceutical giant with a reliable 5% yield, Altria Group, the tobacco company with a hefty 8% yield, and Lumen Technologies, the telecommunications player offering a whopping 9% yield. These stocks offer a great starting point for anyone looking to invest in dividend-paying companies. But as always, it's crucial to do your own research before investing in any stock. Look at the company's financials, understand their business model, and make sure you're comfortable with the risks involved. Investing is a marathon, not a sprint, and making informed decisions is key to long-term success. Don't just jump in blindly because you heard it here. Do your homework and invest wisely. That being said, don't let the fear of making a mistake stop you from getting started. Investing is one of the best ways to build wealth over time, and dividend stocks can be a fantastic addition to any portfolio. So get out there, Do your research and start building your financial future today. Until next time, happy investing, and don't forget to like the video. Subscribe you want more information on how to earn more passive income. Also, check out the recommended video.